How to see Snapchat call history. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to check your Snapchat call history in just a few simple steps. So first, open the Snapchat app and tap on the chat icon at the bottom left. Here, you might see call logs like missed call or outgoing call next to a contact. If so, that's your recent call history. For a full call log, tap your profile icon at the top left and then the gear icon or the settings at the top right. Scroll down to My Data and log in if needed. From here, you can request and download your full Snapchat history, including call logs, messages, and snaps. Just select the time range you need, submit your request, and Snapchat will notify you when it's ready to download. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.